pa-administer lang kami ng oath subscription for our counter affidavit to be filed with the City Prosecutor's Office of San Fernando, La Union. Deadline kasi namin sa Monday, so ipapa-mail na lang namin, no? Because mahirap mag-travel yung 18 plus ako 19, long travel. So pwede naman po 'yon.
Complaint na meron sa loob ng
Nag-file si Congressman Ortega ng libel and cyber libel also. So dalawa arising from the same incident. So ang buod ng aming counter affidavit, number one, it should be dismissed for lack of jurisdiction. Kasi si Congressman Ortega holds office at Batasan Pambansa Complex in Quezon City, and therefore under Article 360 of the Revised Penal Code, including the Supreme Court decisions in Agbayani versus Sayo and Chavez and People versus Court of Appeals, na ang jurisdiction dapat ay Quezon City Fiscal's Office. So ina-expect namin na ma-dismiss lahat ng cyber libel and libel cases na final ng mga mambabatas na outside of Quezon City Prosecutor's Office.
Sir, backgrounder lang.